Good morning, traders. Today is the Monday, the 17th of September. It is 10 o'clock, and I'm going to do some technical analysis. But before I begin, the information contained herein is of a general nature only and is not intended to address the circumstances of any particular individual or entity. I'm not liable for your losses. I'm not a financial advisor. Let's take a look. What do we got? Australian dollar, US dollar, my friend. We're across here. This is good. But the ADX is going down. This is not good. Recent cross, super trend, parabolic SAR. Not super confident on what to make of this. I guess that this going down, it does go up again every now and then, like it did here. That's like speculating a bit too much. I don't really want to do that. More often than not, if it starts this sort of downtrend, the ADX is gonna keep going on it. So I'd like to look at the strength of the trend and see what are the chances of it consolidating. Stochastic, it's hit a low. There is quite often a reversal after that. Sometimes it takes a little while though, like it did here or here. Here it just consolidated. RSI is getting to this range, it's trending to this range, but the chop isn't. The chop is actually trending to the trend part. So if it's below this, it says that the trend is likely to continue. So, I'll put this down as a maybe. What am I going to look for to keep going with this? I'm going to think about how risky I want to be. So I have some have a bit of money in my account. Do I have other opportunities that I'd rather put money in? That sort of thing. That's what's going to determine if I sell this this pair. Next, Euro US dollar trending, peaking, nothing. Within the thing. Okay. Based purely on these metrics, I'm going to say that it's going to what's it called? Consolidate. But I want to look at two charts, sort of side by side, just to confirm. What have we got? This again trending now. Man, look, dude, it's been really shit, man. Like I've missed out. I went away this weekend, and I had like a bunch of shit, like low energy consolidation periods on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday when I was trading, and then Friday, like apparently decided to have a good time, to have a powerful ADX. But it's just me bitching. Good, not good. I'd say this is the end of the trend. This should confirm if it wants to load today. Hello. Excuse me. Euro US dollar. Yeah, same thing. So it peaked. Oh, in trend. That's not a price action reversal. That is not one. But the Bollinger Bands are flat as well. So what it means when it's flat, but it's large, it means it's likely going to do this sort of action. It's going to be consolidating until the Bollinger Bands thin out like they did out here. If it was large and downward, then I'd consider selling it a little bit more. Actually, on that note, let's look at this. Yeah, see, same sort of thing here. It's not super down, like it's down-ish. If this were down more, I think that would be a bit more of a sure sign. British pound, This is strange. This is good. They're all sideways movements. How big are they? They're like 47 pip movements. So like on a smaller time frame, so I'm on the 2 hour time frame now. I'll drop down to the 1 hour one. I might consider, if I saw price action reversal, selling this under the assumption that it's going to bounce up and down. But no, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, particularly because this is all saying up. So if I sold here, I would be selling against the trend. it kind of seems like it's going to do, put some of these lines on. Let's assume that's like the low. Probably hasn't really been that low in ages. So that is a new low. See, so like last week, I was saying, yes, this is all looking good, parabolic, around here, like this, sell, everything's saying sell, but I only would have made, let's say I got it here conservatively, 23 pips, maximum. I most likely would have left it and then, come back today and seeing that I hit my stop loss. Why? Because it hit a new low, and when it hits a new low, you can't tell when it's going to rebound. So, pat myself on the back for that decision. Sorry I've lost my voice as well. I've been screaming. Actually, no, I'm not sorry. Fuck you. So long position would look like this. I would want to pull my stop loss at the low of the previous candle. That's probably a bit too close. Fuck. I think this one. So buy at this rate, and I'd probably put it, the last red candle. And potentially could go up. However, this is weak, and this is on the down, and this is flat, so it's probably going to consolidate soon. This all kind of confirms that as well. Not happy about this one. US CAD. It's called the Looney apparently, but I don't believe that shit. This one hit my stop loss. I made this trade. When did it hit my stop loss? I can't remember where I put it, but it hit it on the day that I made the trade. So it hit it when 15th, no 13th. I think I set the stop loss around here, so it would have hit it. Wouldn't move. It didn't go down enough. Sometimes it just hits your stop loss, but you were actually right, so it goes up like this. Here's the stop loss, and then it just fucks off down. That isn't the case, and okay, I was just flat out wrong. Went through a mad consolidation period. Now, this is good news. This is goodish news. This one here is good news. So it might be starting its reversal. You feel me? Let's get rid of this bad boy. I would have liked to have seen this point here and be like a really low stochastic. RSI is trending up. Choppiness isn't doing much. I don't know. I'm not good enough for this. So just take that out and move on. I had a real shit go lately with these trades, man. Like, they haven't been exciting. Hasn't been a lot of movement. What's going on? We need a terrorist attack or something. That does not reflect the views of whatever copyright things. Anyway, parabolic SAR, super trend, all down. This, down, this, down. Good. I like this. Suss out the highs. Again, I'm trying to draw some resistances. This looks like it might be pretty sweet, although we're pretty balls deep into this trend. I normally don't like to do, like, 4 candles is my maximum. 5 red candles is a no-no. There is an indicator that I learned about, shouts out to Jacob, that I'm going to try out in a sec. So these resistances are like nice little points of these horizontal lines are nice little points of rebounding peaks, lows, whatever. So this is good news. This here, the fact that it came down, tested this, broke way up, came back down. Sorry, tested it again, came way up, and then sort of shifted down, but continued on the uptrend. This says that this is a pretty solid, what's it called? Support line. So here we've got a touch, here we've got a touch. This candle, like the wick, touches it. What else? Here, got a few nice touches. This one almost did. I really like that one. So the fact that it has broken cleanly through it, and by that I mean this candle here that traversed it is large. That's a really good sign. That says that it's confidently broken through it. However, it can still be a false break. It can still like chuck one of these ones. The way of seeing that would be the strength of the trend. So is it oversold? Is it too far along the trend? Do I want to get into it? So this says yes. This says no. This says no. This could be a solid sell, man. This could be a really solid sell. And the next resistance point is okay. So it's 34 pips down, the next point of resistance, and that one was like a recent that was a recent low, yeah. So again, I don't really want to get into trades that are well underway. Get into trends that are well underway. So see if it loads. Oh no, shit. Okay, so it has loaded. Yeah, see, so that was a new low, and it's only 30 pips from that. So the upside isn't that large. Yeah, look, I'm not sure about that, but I'm gonna flag it. Maybe. I'm just scared that I'm gonna sell it, and it is gonna go down. I was right, but it's only gonna go down another 30 pips. Then it's gonna hit that resistance level again, and finished. No money. This one, good-ish. Okay, what's happening? So on the daily, kind of looks like it'll be a downtrend. Can't really tell. But here, it's a weak trend. It's a weak trend, and let's see these bad boys. Yeah, these aren't in line. Just no. Sorry, mate. USD, JPY. Okay. Disagreement, but it's in this thing. So what could happen could be something like what happened here. So it went down, it touched it, but it kept up, and then came back down, tested it. Think of it like water, you know, like it tucked its head underneath the water, but then continued the uptrend for a little bit longer. Do I want to sell it? No. Do I want to buy it? No. So that's it. And the last one. That's it. That was the last one. Fantastic. Thank you very much, guys.